Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita coffee maker DCM501. The machine is compatible to 12 volt battery or 18 volt battery. The tank capacity is 240 ml. It dedicates cup fits in machine without gap for splash prevention and less dust entry. Also compatible with commercial mark. No battery adapter needed, and boil dry protection automatically turn the coffee maker off if there is not enough water. With 18 volt 6.0 Ah battery, it can use up to 4 cups with 160 ml. And the weight is only at 2.2 kg. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you find this video helps.